Come test drive the 2019 Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system, voice-activated navigation system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.